Hello there. I hope you guys are doing great. So let's get started on today's session. And today we'll talk about what are some of the top technology trends for 2022. What all we should be focusing on, what all we should be learning on. So applied AI is the first thing that I would like you to focus on for 2022 and 2023. Models trained in machine learning can be used to solve classification, prediction, and control problems, to automate activities, and to augment capabilities and offerings and make better decisions. So you should focus on AI part of the technology. Web3 is gaining popularity in 2022 and in 2023 as well. It will gain popularity. Web3 includes platform and applications that enable shift towards a future decentralized internet with open standards and protocol while protecting digital ownership rights, providing users with greater ownership of their data and catalyzing new business models. The third technology trend that you should be focusing on is cloud and edge computing. Cloud and edge computing involves distributing computing workloads and across remote data centers and local nodes to improve data sovereignty, autonomy, and resource productivity, latency, and security. Next thing that you should be focusing on in terms of technology for 22 and 23 is quantum technology. You must have heard about this. Quantum-based technology could provide an exponential increase in computational performance for certain problems and transform networks by making them more secure. Next thing is 3D printing. 3D printing is there around for a few years, and in future it will grow as well. A key trend in innovation and technology is 3D printing, which is used to formulate prototypes. This technology has been impactful in the biomedical and industrial sectors. None of us thought of printing a real objects from printer, well right now it is a reality. So 3D printing is another innovation that is here to stay. So you must focus on 3D printing technology. Robotic process automation or RPA. Like AI and machine learning, robotic process automation or RPA is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business process such as interpreting an application, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do. Next technology that is focusing on is virtual reality and augmented reality. The next exceptional technology trends is VR or augmented reality AR and extended reality AR. VR immerses the user in environment while AR enhances the environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming, thus so far it has also been used for training, such as with virtual shape, a simulation software used to train US Navy. Even in driving these days, I have seen people are using VR and AR. Blockchain technology as well you should be focusing on. Although most people think of blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, or blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways as well. Many financial companies are using it these days. In the simplest of its term, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to and not take away from or change. Hence the term chain, because you are making a chain of data. It is very popular in financial industry. Next is Internet of Things. Another promising new technology, IoT. Many things are now being built with a Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can connect it to the internet and to each other. We have the concept of smart home because of the IoT. Hence the Internet of Things or IoT is there. The IoT is the future and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars, and many more, which is connected together and exchange data over the internet. Next, you should be focusing on 5G communication technology. The next technology trend that follows is the IoT is 5G. You must have heard of it. In India and around the world, people have started testing the 5G tools technologies, where 3G and 4G technology have enabled us to browse the internet, use data-driven services, increase bandwidth for streaming on Spotify or YouTube, and so much more. 5G services are expected to revolutionize our life, how we live, by enabling services that are not only advanced technology like AR and VR, alongside cloud-based gaming services like Google Stadia, Nvidia, GeForce, and now many more will come. Next is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity might not seem like an emerging technology given that it has been around for a while, but it is evolving just as other technologies are. That is in part because the threats are constantly new. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up anytime soon, and they will continue to find new ways to go through your data even if there is tougher security measures. It is also in part because new technology is being adapted to enhance the security. So these were some of the top technology trends that should be focusing on 22 and in 2023 as well. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.